Hey, if you want to hard reset your JBL Tune 125, the true wireless sound, first of all, you will have to be sure that you disconnect them from any previously connected devices. As you can see in my case, I'm not connected with these earbuds, and then we'll have to just put them back inside this charging case. And now we'll have to click and hold on the left and the right button until both indicators keeps flashing like this on the white. So click and hold them together, just wait for the focus, close the case, then open it, and now click and hold on them. As you can see, currently the right one is turned on and the left one also. So keep holding like this for like 5 seconds, and now you can release. And indicators will be still turned on, so we have to close this case, now open it, and then remove both earbuds from this charging case. Now they will go into the pairing mode automatically. Take a look. The right one is blinking quickly, so now when I restart the Bluetooth on my device, I will find the JBL Tune ready to pair. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.